I now call Sirishna for the invocation song.
शंकर प्रभृति देवै सदा पूजिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा.
I request Professor Srinath Srinivasa to deliver the welcome speech.
ಕರುಣಾಳು ಬಾ ಬೆಳಕೆ ಮುಸುಕಿನಿ ಮಬ್ಬಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಡೆಸೆನ್ನನು. ಇರುಳು ಕತ್ತಲೆಯ ಗವಿ ಮನೆದೂರ ಕನಿಕರಿಸಿ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಡೆಸೆನ್ನನು. Lead kindly light amid the encircling gloom, lead thou me on. The night is dark and I am far from home, lead thou me on. With the solemn words of B.M. Shri and John H. Newman, we reflect upon ourselves today. We have come a long way, but there are miles to go before we sleep. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the chairman, members of the governing body, director, faculty, staff, students, alumni and alumni of IIITB, it's my pleasure to welcome our chief guest, Dr. T. Ramaswamy, Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, and our guest of honor, Dr. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw, Chairman and Managing Director of Biocon. It is also my pleasure to welcome the CEOs and executives of IT companies, officials, members of academia, graduating students and their families, the press, and other invitees. I believe it's very fitting that people of eminence are present at a milestone as special as this occasion. I now briefly introduce our eminent guests. Our chief guest, Dr. T. Ramaswamy. Dr. T. Ramaswamy is currently Secretary to the Government of India, Department of Science and Technology. He holds a master's degree in leather technology from the University of Madras and a PhD in chemistry from the University of Leeds, UK. He has also worked on energy research in the Ames Laboratory, Iowa, USA, and on electron transport phenomena in the Wayne State University, USA, prior to returning to India for undertaking his scientific career. He is known among the scientific establishments in the country for his leadership to the Central Leather Research Institute, Chennai. The institute has earned global leadership status during his tenure as director, as evidenced by the 30% global share of publications and more than 7% share of global patents, positions in fashion forecasting, and the level of public-private partnership built in leather research. His contribution to the understanding of the chemistry and applications of chromium, as well as leather science and environment-related technologies, have earned him several professional recognitions both in India and abroad. These include the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize for Chemical Sciences in 1993, election to all major science academies, and a fellow as well as the Third World Academy of Sciences and the National Civilian Award Padma Shri in 2001. We heartily welcome you, sir. It's now my pleasure to introduce our guest of honor, Dr. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw. Dr. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw is no stranger to any of us. The veritable biotech queen of Indian biotech industry, her pioneering efforts in biotechnology have drawn global recognition, and Biocon today is recognized as India's pioneering biotech enterprise. As chairperson and mission leader of CIS National Task Force on Biotechnology, she has led several delegations to the US, Canada, UK, etc., to propel India to the global super league of biotech trailblazers. She chairs Karnataka's Vision Group on Biotechnology and has also served on the board of Science Foundation, Ireland. More recently, she has been invited to join the Prime Minister's Council on Trade and Industry in India. Dr. Shaw is the recipient of several prestigious awards, including the ET Businesswoman of the Year, Best Woman Entrepreneur, Model Employer, Ernst & Young's Entrepreneur of the Year Award for Life Sciences and Healthcare, Leading Exporter, Outstanding Citizen, Technology Pioneer, etc. Her most